Flying Steps starts 1993. We was also 4-time world champion. We make so many battles, we make music, but every time we have something to do, something bring us on stage. Flying Steps is famous about making shows.
When we started with the project Red Bull Flying Bach, we never really expected the big success.
I like this project because I think it brings audiences from different directions together. People who are interested in Bach, but also people who are interested in breakdance. Maybe some of them can become interested in something new when they see this thing.
It's really crazy with Red Bull Flying Bach because it's a mix between classical music and breakdance. The world tour is starting here in Croatia, and yeah, first city is Pula.
It's a lot of energy that I get from there, and it's a very different kind of energy than in a normal classical concert. I like it. It's stimulating in a different way.
Also was interesting to bring some from ballet dance also inside, to see the different waves on dancing and working.
When I encountered with Flying Steps, I was so amazed and I was so fascinated from their style and also their mentality. So I thought also in the rehearsal I would like to show or express this my emotion, fascinating feeling to the audience.
I'm out of my mind, in a total state of shock. It's magnificent.
Cijela koncepcija, znači da predstava zaista je predstava i da ima priču od početka do kraja, mi je nešto novo i fenomenalno.
The crowd was crazy. In the first numbers we go up to clap and to support us. And this is the best what you can get from the audience.
I had the feeling that the audience was really enthusiastic and supportive. I'm really looking forward to Zagreb now and for the other places too. This was a really good start.